Hello everyone, this is David Luscombe, and this is a position that I took from a game that I recently played online. This was a rapid time control game, and I am white here, and I'm doing slightly worse, but there is a way for me to hold this game. And right now, black is attacking my rook with his knight, so I have to do something about that. Go ahead and pause the video and take some time and think about this position and see what you can come up with. Okay, well, in the actual game, I played rook over here to h7. And after the rooks come off the board, I thought that I was doing pretty good here and I was pretty happy with my position. But it turns out that I'm actually losing here. And the reason is that at this point he plays king out to d4, and his king is just so much better placed than my king. And in fact, given enough time, he ends up breaking through into my position and he gobbles up my pawns, and he goes on to win the game. And so that was a pretty huge mistake because he has a much better king position. And in the endgame, it is very important to have a better king than your opponent, or at the very least, to prevent your opponent's king from becoming too active. That can lead to either a win or a loss. So here, let's go ahead and set these pieces back up, and let's take a look at what I should have played. Now, in this position, my very best move was actually to play rook out to d7. Now, the threat is to play bishop f5 and then win the knight. So he has to move the king. Let's say that if he moves the king out here to f6, then the goal here is to trade off the rooks. So once again, the rooks come off the board, but this has changed quite a bit because his king is now one square further back. So when he moves forward, I'm able to move forward as well, either to e3 or d3, and I'm able to keep his king out just a little bit so that his king cannot advance as far. And this actually would have allowed me to draw the game with really good play. It would be hard to do it, but here it's possible. However, with the kings back here like this, then this is no longer a draw, and he's actually winning here. So that can be the difference between winning a game and losing a game. I just wanted to show that to you guys and just give you an illustration of how important king placement is in the endgame. Thank you for watching.